Owning a POCO phone? Backing up your data is key, especially during system crashes. In this video, we'll cover the top 5 POCO sync tools to keep your data safe and easy to restore. Top 1. Best POCO sync software: MobiKin Android Backup and Restore. Most people have a computer, making it easy to back up and access POCO data. For simple backup and restore, try MobiKin Backup Manager for Android. Step 1. Install and launch the software, then connect your POCO phone via USB. Step 2. Enable USB debugging, then select Backup from the options. Step 3. Sync. Choose the types of data you wish to back up, then designate a storage location on your computer. Finally, click Backup to transfer the POCO data to your computer. Top 2. MobiKin Assistant for Android. MobiKin Assistant for Android is a lightweight, user-friendly tool for backing up and managing POCO devices directly from your computer. This product lets you secure and restore data, edit contacts, manage various files, send SMS, and install or uninstall apps. Top 3. Mi Cloud. Mi Cloud is Xiaomi's official cloud service and works well as a sync tool for POCO phones. It lets you automatically sync and back up contacts, messages, photos, notes, and more to the cloud. Top 4. Mi PC Suite. Mi PC Suite is another Xiaomi's official desktop tool for syncing POCO phone data to a computer. It lets you back up and restore contacts, messages, photos, apps, and more, manage files, transfer data, and update firmware. Top 5. Google Drive. Google Drive is a great sync tool for POCO phones, allowing you to back up and sync data like photos, contacts, and calendar events to the cloud. It offers 15 gigabytes of free storage and seamless syncing across devices.